Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a blueberry ricotta, I wanted to say pancake, but we're making muffins. Blueberry ricotta muffins, and they're so delicious. This is like a perfect way to sneak some ricotta into something your kids will never know. My son, if I put it on something, he won't eat it because he doesn't like the texture, but he devours these muffins. So yeah, I love them. You'll love them. Give them a try. Bye guys.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep in the biting. Liking for you is all I need, until my heart gives in.